So this is the start of the lumber storage. Certainly not the sheet goods, but and the heavier stuff on the bottom, and then all the way to the top are the processed reclaimed pallet wood, which is this pile here. Once it's processed, then we'll go up there. The wood's quite light and it's easy to lift it up there and get it out of the way. I was looking to build this myself, and then I saw how inexpensive it was relative to how expensive wood is, and those are adjustable, right? So they have the holes in the bar, and you simply pull out the pin and adjust them as needed. They actually fold up if you need them to. I'm going to add another set over this way to accommodate larger lumber.
And where did those come from?
Amazon.